Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically archive files on Notion. So to do that, there is one thing that I don't recommend you doing. You can either go to your file, for instance, this list one. You can just press move to trash. I'm going to undo that though because it's very dangerous. Not necessarily like dangerous in that way, but just like it might actually just delete it and not archive it. So you're going to actually just make a file that's called archives, and to move your files to that area, just select the three dots here, move to, and then select archive, and it's going to be moved into that archived like file folder placement. And that is how you can archive files on Notion. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!